I am back. I took a short break from the last one. Still will post this a little bit later. This one might be a short one too. I actually don't know. But I'm feeling a little bit more energized, a little bit more awake. So we will go from there. Still getting shot at, which I don't like. But I kind of like doing the side missions, so I think I'm gonna continue to do this as much as possible. And then the moments I feel like there's no more side missions, I will do, like, wait a minute. There's a whole other section? Wait a minute, there are multiple sections? Wait, does that mean that this isn't... Wait a minute. Are these different districts? Like, this is Neon, and then these are something else? I can't go there, obviously. Well, maybe. No, because the map stops. Oh. Well, then maybe I should, like, do the main story until I unlock everything, and then clear out everything. Huh. Okay. That gives me an option. Well, I'm gonna do these two first. Hopefully I will get the tough collar. And these I don't like that these just immediately go away. But I'm gonna try and get some of these. Do have to do something soon. Oh, don't go away, 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 don't go away. Hey, yes.
A Reaper conduit in the park has disguised himself as a pedestrian.
You could just be a crazy person telling me that, actually. And I might be shooting random civilians with electricity. I should have asked, like, what do they look like? How do you know? I should be asking some of these questions. I guess I don't need to ask those questions. I'm doing that. How do I... Oh, it's red. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to get out. I think that's fine. There it is. Oh, it's him. Do your thing. Do your thing. Actually, you're so far away? Can I hit you? Maybe I can. Oh, I could! And I did. Wow. That's nice. That's a good area. I don't know. I kind of want to, like, finish all of Neon. Ugh. So many options, I guess. Alright. How long can I stay in this water? 17 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi. Ugh. Oof. Alright. Also, oh, I really like this, this structure. This is like my favorite structure. Someone shot me. Also, why... I remember Zeke saying something about, like, how he wants to... make batteries that blow up.
I think I saw
like,
one
why?
of those Reaper trucks over there. You should go destroy it.
You should go destroy it. Okay, I will. Oh my gosh, this is like a death zone. Oh, jeez. Did I do it? Whoa. 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 Someone had a rocket launcher. Okay, alright. All that. Get away from me. Did I not destroy this thing? How am I not destroying it? Chase down, destroy. I did. Whoa, there's so many of you guys. Jeez. Oh my gosh, I'm going to die again. Wait, I'm alive? Where are the things? Oh, I'm running around the safe zones that have, like, no health. I'm gonna have to do this again. No. Oh my gosh, I don't like that. Chase down and destroy. I'm trying. Did I do it? Maybe I could have gotten more experience if I, like, killed them?
So get this one. This gal comes up to me and asks me if I can get her your autograph. But what am I? Butler? Still, she was kind of hot. Maybe I'll
So
just
you did
scribble
it?
your name on something and see where it gets me.
Okay. Look, dude, you do what you want to do. You have my permission. If people are willing to buy it, then go for it. Whoa. I don't like that rocket launcher. I gotta, like, go. I need to find, like, some electricity. Electricity, please. How do they have rocket launchers? Is it you? Okay. Yeah, I did enough. I think it was those, I was trying to get you. Those, Reaper ones that give me a lot more XP. So that's the ones, the Conduit Reapers. That's the ones that I wanted to get. Jump. Wish I could sprint. There's no, like, sprint button, I don't think. Wait, is there? Have I just been stupid this entire time? No. No. Okay, alright. I don't see sprint, so I guess not. Did it go away immediately? I hate that. Alright, whatever. If I run here... Okay, if I run here and it goes away, I'm probably just going to do the main story. Because that is just way too annoying for me. That I'm right there and I can't get it. Even though the side mission ones, apparently, like, they could be in the middle of the crossfire. I think that's what I was trying to say. Last time. And they would be fine. But not the blue one, apparently. I'm taking the long route. Okay. Okay, Cole, that's enough. Oh, they're taking photos of me. Did it go away? No, it didn't. Okay, just stay where you are.
It's getting cold out there, especially.
You're joking. You're right here. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm just gonna head to the main.
Burn it. The old rules don't exist. Not anymore. Voice of survival, out.
I didn't actually know he was speaking. I feel like I'm pretty fast. I don't know, how fast do I... Well, the cars aren't driving fast. Maybe I'm running like 15 miles per hour? 20? 25 at most. I'm not sure. Oh, this is kind of nice. This is a really nice park. Whoa. Are you guys okay? Wait, no, it's, yes. Oh, he's dead. Oh, never mind. So what is this? Is this supposed to be like New York or something? No, it can't be New York. Well, it's not Brazil, even though they have that statue. Is it Pittsburgh? It's kind of cloudy. Ooh. I really like this. It's like an astronomy tower or something. Wow. Heliocentric, whatever it's called. Yeah, guys, I don't want to fight you. I really don't. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sure you're all very formative to me, but I just don't feel like it right now. Unless it's a side mission and you're all going away. Oh, another sewer. Oh, she did say it was 3, right? Didn't I only do 2? Yeah, that's probably 3.
Hey Moya, I'm down in the sewer. Should have the power back on in no time.
Roger. Vector? Whatever. If you know, you know, I guess. Vector. Gosh, the vibration on this old PS3 controller is ridiculous. Whoa, what? Oh, grenades! I forgot about grenades. Oh, that's so nice. Wait a minute, can I jump on the west side? You can also grind on train tracks. Oh, that's so cool. That's so much faster. What?
Hey,
You been paying attention to that TV jacker?
No?
Used to think he was pretty righteous, but now he spends half his time trashing you. Makes me think you should pay him a visit.
believe me, I'd love to. No idea where he's hiding though.
Probably holed up in the old TV station over in the storing district. You find him. You give him a taste of the good stuff.
Why would I do
He's
that?
got better not to run his mouth all the time.
How do I flip? Isn't it? No, circle, square. Oh, it's square. And then it's that. How do I flip the sides of my arm? I forgot how to do that. Circle? No! That was wrong! That was wrong. I don't want to do that again. No, okay. I don't remember. It's okay though. I'm sure I will be reminded at some point. Or I'll just somehow remember how to. I really like this though. That's very convenient to me. So I can get through the city much. Just get out of here, okay? Oh no, I just wanted up. Okay. I'm not gonna chain you because that would take forever. You know, it's more goodness points. The good place. Whoa. Whoa. It was square. Oh, wow. Stunt unlocked. Sticky. I think I can hit you. Yeah. Yeah. I'm glad it's not like an insta-death. Ah, no, wait a minute. Yeah, because that would have been so annoying if I had to, like, redo all of it. This music kind of reminds me of, like, a weird version of The Dark Knight. I'm not gonna make it. Whee! Oh my gosh, no! No, no, please. No! No! I was just... Okay, good, there's a checkpoint. That would have been so annoying. Don't get up. Of that thing. Dance. Ew. Okay. High fall. Oh, yeah, that's what happened. Not Skyfall. High fall. Did I do it? No? Okay. Okay, alright. Oh. Can I hit you? I guess not. Okay, so there we go. You're okay. Just like do the electricity. Yeah, okay. Very nice. I really like this though. I really like this. Yeah, you're fine. I'm not gonna hurt you. Okay, that was pretty cool. Cole. I guess you are a show off. Oh yeah, I remember. Press the button prompt. Emerge from the sewers, a hero. Games? More? Game nuts? Okay, cool. It's kind
Good work, Cole.
of scary.
When you're ready, I've got a couple of things I'd like you to look into. One of them might lead us to John.
John, your man, right? Oh, well, that's convenient. It's just like right here. Okay, well, I mean, if it's right here, might as well just do it. I'm not here.
Shocking news tonight of a callous and unprovoked attack by terrorists.
Wait,
seeking
who's
to break
watching
through
TV up
quarantine
here?
and cross Stampton Bridge.
How did you
Goal
get
is
up here?
simple. Spread the plague to the
Hold up.
mainland. It was only because of the efforts of the heroic men and women of the CDC that this vicious
How
attack
in the
was
world do
repelled,
they have to like
thus
do like a
preserving the
tightrope
quarantine.
thing?
USTV has learned that as a result of this
Hey, a
event,
blast
the
shard.
CDC will be
Maybe the
positioning
developers
additional forces
did this
along
on
quarantine
purpose, and
lines
I'm giving them too much credit, but that's pretty cool.
boat and air patrols. Citizens are encouraged to cooperate with CDC soldiers.
Yeah, I don't know how they got up here. I don't know how they got this up here or all of this. Like, that's still crazy to me. Maybe there's a latch in here, but that does not look like it. There's not even a ladder. So,
See that old train?
yes.
The Reapers have some people locked up in it. Collateral to keep the people of the Neon in line. More importantly, there's a chance John is locked in there.
John?
Way to bust them out.
No. You're in the heart of Reaper territory, and they'll kill anyone trying to escape.
Oh, yeah.
You need to move the train to a safe location.
I need a
How am
move?
I supposed to do that? Push?
You're a living third rail. Stay in contact with the lead car, and it should move.
I guess that's technically true. So they want me to just go up there. Can I, like, snipe them from here? Probably not. Oh. Insane. Wait, back up. I don't really want to do that. Okay. So I need to push this. Right? Okay. And then I need to be on the lead car.
Just stay calm in there.
Oh. I guess it is technically based off of magnetism.
The train's stopping.
Reapers must have disengaged the low-voltage feeder box that's mounted under the tracks. Charge it until it's green across the board.
Charge
that
what?
should get you moving again.
I'll
Charge
go
what?
look for it.
Oh. The box. The boxing. Point of interest. Oh. That's convenient.
Got it.
Should I go this way? Hey, nice. Sorry. I bet that's gonna happen again. Art
Ah,
gallery.
crap.
Again? Oh, no, it's just people. You saw him, man. You did. I don't like how they can just serpentine like it's nothing. I'm also kind of dying. Maybe I should leave. I should leave. Let's keep going. Okay. Oh no, they turned off the switch thing. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. No, get off, Cole. Cole. Whatever.
Charge the feeder box, Cole.
I know.
You don't have much time.
Okay. Good. I have to get back up here. Oh my gosh, am I taking the stairs like a simpleton? I got powers. Okay, I can't even take the stairs. Whoa, you're up there. And I apparently killed you. What is that? Club bar? Uh-oh. You! A rocket launcher. I remember the rocket launcher guy. That might be good. Oh, that was easier than I thought. Maybe because it wasn't explosive. Gosh, there's so many. I really like that. Are there more of these? Nope. I actually think I could have shot down that thing. The explosive barrel, whatever. And a precision. Ooh! Oh, I'm glad they were staying on the track. Wait, there's more of you. I don't like it, I don't like it. Yes. Oh, okay. Jeez, camera. Are you not dead? Oh, that's it. Okay. And then the box.
Found it.
Yes, I did. I did find it. The uprising. I wonder how long it's been like this. How did they even get to this point? Aren't there like human rights activist people like before there was like this massive plague? Oh my gosh! Again? Guys, again? Uh-oh. 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 Okay. Alright. Where is it? Where is it? Where's the... No! 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 Whoa. Dude. God. Alright. I know that this thing is going to... Oh my goodness! I just need some electricity right now. Alright. There's a grenade! Oh my gosh. No! No! Okay. Alright. This guy seems pretty easy. Jeez, please. Okay, I did it worse this time. Oh my goodness. Jeez. I can get you from here. Wait, I have a grenade. Yeah. Why wasn't I using that before? There's gonna be more on there. I see you. I see you. Is it good? Is it good? Because I don't want to explode. No! That's incredibly annoying. And I know there's going to be one down here. Oh no! You again. Uh-oh. Okay, he's out. I know there's going to be like tons of you guys. I don't know where you are. You're on this side. Smart. Get smart. I don't like you at all. Real life. Why are there so many of them? Oh gosh. Is that it? Is that it of them? Am I good? Why am I trying to... Oh my gosh. I was stuck on the bike. Where's the train? There it is. Okay. I'm less stressed, but I feel it. I still feel it. I feel the stress that's happening. Alright. We're good.
You're almost there. I let everyone
hope so.
know that you're bringing in the train, and they'll be waiting at the station. Don't let them down.
Here we go.
How are they not moving? Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. I didn't realize. No, please. No, please. I have an ex. Girlfriend. That was random. Okay. Please, I don't... Where are they? What? Okay. Ow. Oh, there they are. It's kind of convenient for being right here. How are they shooting at me? Not the grenades! I don't like the grenades. Yeah, like, get them. No, they probably switch off. Who are you shooting at? How did I miss? I even took the time. No, okay. Man, this one was tough. Again? Uh-oh. No move! No! Oh, I thought that was gonna, like, destroy them.
You're almost to the station.
It's so shaky. Okay, I did it.
The crowd was surprised to see the terrorists roll up and free their loved ones. Hypocrites.
Oh?
Yesterday they wanted my head on a platter. Now they act like I'm one of the family.
Isn't that a good thing?
Truth be told, it was nice, even for that short time,
Yeah.
to be treated like a hero. Felt good. I scanned the crowd for John as people started to leave the station. He was nowhere to be seen.
How do we know what John looks like again? I think we only saw him once. Okay. Oops. I really like that pose. Moya. Oh. Whoa. Jeez, dude. Oh, what? Are you okay? You all okay? No? That train is going fast. Alright, well, Moya's not calling. I guess she also knows that John wasn't there. So I'm going to end it here. And yeah, cool. I will see you on the next one. Not see you. Oh, see, I keep doing that. That's not, you won't see, I don't see you. So, okay. Post you all later. I still think that's kind of stupid. Whatever. Post you later. I guess it's gonna be a thing now. Alright, bye.